the performance warranty means absolutely nothing, not even the paper it's written on. And in Jane's case, it got to the stage where they just wore her out, and she just gave up on trying to claim the performance warranty. It would have been a manufacturer's warranty. Within the 10 years, she may have been able to do something, but because it was performance, so it ended up being somewhat different. I think at the end of the day that the whole experience just ground around, and she said, no, she's had enough, and bite the bullet, take it off and put a good system on. At the end of the day, Jan was just exhausted and being a self-funded retiree, just didn't have the funds to continue on the fight with the interstate company. It was installed by a local company, but it was to deal with the interstate company. They were around for a couple of years, but that was it, and then vanished. So that's always the problem. These interstate ones is they come up, make a killing, and then disappear. Jan's story at the end of the day really teaches, I think, if anyone is smart and does their homework and research, they'll find that you deal with a local company, get a good warranty, get a good system, and you're not going to have a problem. And that's one of the reasons why I install top-end quality systems. I don't get callbacks.